Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nadia Friani. Here I am to explain one of fintech application, Uang Teman. When we face urgent situations like we have hospital arrears that must be paid or school fees, sometimes we panic, right? Because we don't know who to ask for help, especially these matters related to money. Loans could be a crucial need in such condition. Let alone easy loan can be paid in installment, certainly sought by many people. However, not everyone can easily get a loan, especially if they don't have any collateral or credit cards. In that situation, it is necessary to borrow money with easy procedure, without guarantees and condition, and immediate fund. In this modern era, there are many ways to get money loans, one of them by utilizing online loan service. There have been many fintech who provide online money loan with simple procedure, one of which is Uang Teman. Uang Teman comes as a loan solution, is the first online microloan service provider in Indonesia, has been registered and supervised by a Financial Service Authority atau OJK. As an online loan application, of course, Uang Teman has several requirements as a security reason which is quite common. First, you must be an Indonesian citizen, must have bank account, be at a productive age when submitting loan, aka your age, be at least 20 years with a maximum of 65 and have a certain job or income. Procedure for borrowing money is also quite simple. You just need your KTP and supporting documents such as salary slips, which can prove you are a working person. Taking a paycheck will further increase the likelihood of acceptance in loan proposal. Step by step to get loan. First thing first, you have to install and open the application. After you open the application, the initial display will be like this. After open the application, we will be asked to log in. But if you don't have an account yet, don't worry. You could click on register button. As with registering account in general, you will be asked to fill in telephone number, an email address, and create a password. The application's home display will be like this. You will soon be over to make loans. That is the point of this application, right? After pressing the Ajukan Pinjaman button, you will be presented with the type of loans, which I will explain now. You should know that there are three types of loan available at Uang Teman. The first type is one-time loans atau pinjaman sekali bayar. The number of loans available in this page range from Rp1.500.000 to Rp3 juta with a loan duration of at least 65 to 70 days. The interest charge is 0.8% per day. The interest fee will be called a service fee. Service fee and payment amount will be listed at the bottom or according to how much the loan is and how long the loan is. The second type is installment loan. From the name, it is clear that this type of loan is accompanied by installments. The minimum loan amount is Rp5 juta and the maximum is Rp20 juta. There are two choices of installment, that is 3 months and 6 months with 9% compounded interest. If it is simulated, when I borrow 5 juta, 3-month installment with 9% interest per month, then the service fee or the interest that I have to pay is as much as Rp1.351. So if I add it to the principal or the loan, it will become Rp6.350.001. From this calculation, it follows that I have to pay as much as Rp2.116.667 per month. The last type, and also new, is like installment loans. What is the differences between this one and the previous one? There is no much difference. The biggest difference is that the installment payment is only in the form of service payment, whereas the principal loan payment will be paid in the last month. Still confused? Let me show you then. We simulate that the amount of loan is Rp5 juta with the number of installment for 3 months. In this type, the interest charge is quite large. It is 18%. If it is calculated, each installment in the first and second month are Rp900.000 and in the third month is Rp5.900.000. A little tough in the end, huh? On this page, you can simulate your loan amount and duration. Then the calculation will automatically appear on how much you have to pay. If you have specified the type, amount, and duration of the loan, then you could click the next button. Already familiar with the type of loans available? I assume you do. Let's move on. You will be asked to fill out your location and reason for making these loans. This is one weakness of this application. Not all regions in Indonesia can make online loans via Uang Teman. Uang Teman only limits certain areas such as DKI Jakarta or Yogyakarta. Honestly, I don't really know which area are allowed, but certainly if your area can, then you will be asked to fill out a personal data form. Fill in each column with required supporting documents such as KTP, photo of yourself or selfie, and others. If all your documents are complete, you will also be faster to get a loan from Uang Teman. You will get a notification that gives information about the status of your loan, whether approved or rejected by Uang Teman. You can also find out the status of your loan through the SMS feature by entering a telephone number in the loan status check column on Uang Teman website or mobile application. I'm sorry before I couldn't show you where is the page to check the status of loans because I myself didn't propose a loan. But I've already watched it on YouTube, so I will do my best to explain it to you. Okay, let's continue. Verification by analysis team. If your loan application has been approved, you must ensure that your telephone number is active because the Uang Teman team will verify by contacting you within 3x24 hours. If all the data and documents that you have uploaded are verified, you will get another call from the Uang Teman team regarding the loan disbursement. Next, you will receive a notification in the email that you registered regarding your loan application that has been previously approved. In the email you get, you will be asked to sign an agreement digitally to process the loan disbursement. After that, you will get your loan in your bank account. If you think that's the end, no, that's not all. If you already know how to borrow money from Uang Teman before, now it's time for you to know how to repay your loan at Uang Teman. How? Check this out. After getting a loan, you will get a notification related to the loan payment date information in an email 3 days before the due date of your loan repayment. To make payments, you are required to enter the customer dashboard to get a virtual account number that you can use to pay off loans via bank transfer. You can make payment through BCA ATM, Mandiri ATM, or other similar bank and are still in the ATM Bersama network. All you have to do is first, insert ATM card and press your print. Choose transaksi lainnya, press transfer, select transfer to the other bank, enter bank code number along with the virtual account number, then press benar. Enter the payment amount according to the bills. Make sure the nominal amount is correct because if it doesn't match, the transaction will be failed. Then press benar. A transfer confirmation screen appears containing this. If that's true, press benar. After that, the transaction has been completed. You will receive a payment receipt as proof that the transaction was successful. Make sure you photograph the receipt to be used as evidence. If you ever curious why Uang Teman only give loans in small amount, here's the thing. They give loans with no collateral. The risk they receive is quite large because they provide unsecured fund. Therefore, the maximum fund provided by online loan companies are few. This is to reduce the risk of uncollectible debts. Besides, the fewer fund provided by the company the company can be better in overseeing the money lent. At the end, borrowing from an online loan application was initially not as simple as expected. However, the ease of the road is quite helpful for the borrowers, although the interest charge is quite large, but still lower than the interest charge at bank. Also, the borrowers are not required to have collateral and credit cards. So, I think this application does not hurt to try for those who want to borrow money. Okay, that's the end of my explanation for this application. If you have a question, feel free to ask me. Thank you.